The Kenya National Examination Council, KPSEA 2024 Mathematics Revision. We are preparing for 2025 KPSEA exam. So let's just look at how the exam for 2024 Mathematics KPSEA Grade 6, how it was. Jackson read the following number on a chalkboard. What is the number in words? So for you to write the number in words, first write the number down. So the number is 76859. From the right side, divide this number 3, 1, 2, 3, then put a comma. Now that one will help you to read the number. If the number is long enough, you may not be able to tell where this number if you don't have to divide. So you need to divide this number 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Now this tells you that this number is 4,568,672. Now for the number here, it is 76,859. 76,895. No, 76,859. So the correct answer is B. What is the total value of digit 7 in the number? The total value. So the number is 42,965,3. So let's see, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So this is 1,000. 7, the place value for 7 is 1,000. Therefore, it is 7 times 1,000 times 1,000. It is 7,000. So the total value for digit 7 is 7,000. Teacher wrote a square root number of the chalkboard on a checkboard, which formed a pattern as shown. Square root 121, square root 144, square root 169, square root 196. So this one you can see 121 is the square root of 11. The square root of 121 is 11. The square root of 144 is 12. The square root of 169 is 13. The square root of 196 is 14. Then it means the next one was the square root of 15. That is the square root of 15. The square root of 225, which is the square. So the square of, when you square 15, the answer is 225. You square 14, the answer is 196. For 13 square, 169. 12 square, 144. 11 square, 121. A roll stopped on a white pastel. The reading on the way was this. What is the number rounded off to the nearest thousand? Rounding off of numbers. 8501. Round off to the nearest thousand. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So this is the thousand. So when you reach at the number where we have the 1,000, check on the number in front. The number in front is 5. So 5 is more than, and if the number is more than 5, then the next number will increase this number by 1. If the number is less than 5, then that number will not increase this one. You write the number and you put the zeros. So this one will be 9000, because 5 is more than 5 is 5. Therefore, it will increase this number by 1. There were 52 classrooms in a school. Each classroom had 36 students, learners. How many learners in the school were in the school? So if one class has 36 learners, now we will find out 52 classes will contain how many learners. So it is 52 times 36. 36 times 52. 12, 6, 7, 30, 0 card 3, 18. So this is 2, 7, 8, 1. So the answer is the students, the learners will be 1872. 1872. A shoemaker joined two pieces of leather as shown. What is the area of the combined piece of leather? So you look at the combined figures. One is a rectangle. This is a rectangle, and another one is a triangle, a right angle triangle. So area of a triangle, a right angle triangle for that matter, is a half times base times height. So that is a half times the base, which is 16, times the height, which is 12. So this one's here 8. So this one 12 times 8 is 96 centimeters square. Now we have finished calculating the area of this triangle here. So now let's calculate the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal length times width. So this is 40 times 20. And this gives you 800 centimeters square. Now to get the total, you add both the two areas. You add. So that is 800 plus 96, and this gives you 896 centimeters square. 896 centimeters square. During a race, the recorded time for the runners were this, and that. Arrange the decimal numbers in descending order. Descending means arranging from small to largest. So now we have 9.5, 9.5, all of them we have 9.5. So 9.5, 9.5. So let's check the next number. This is 5, 5. Okay, the next number is, this is 8, the next number is 5, and the next number is 7. Therefore, this one is the biggest, this one is the smallest, and this is the second biggest. Therefore, we are arranging, we will have 95, 9.5, smallest is 9558, followed by 9.578, and then finally 9.58 plus 7 is the biggest. Therefore, the correct answer is D. The correct answer is D. A women group had 1055 votes in a ranch. They shared the goats equally among 24 members. How many goats remained after sharing? So sharing, that is dividing. So let's divide. There were 24 and they had 1055 goats. So take 4. 4 times this is 6, 9. So we remain 15. Pour 1 from 10, 15. 15 minus 6, 9, 5. So take 3. 3 times 24 is 72. So 5 minus 3, minus 5 minus 2, 3. 1, 9 minus 7, 2. So 23 goats remained. A tailor had pieces of cloth measuring 17 meters 50 centimeters. He cut the cloth into 5 equal pieces to make trousers. What was the length of each piece in centimeters? Now understand that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Now 17 meters, we have how many centimeters? It will be 1700. So we add 50. So we have 1750 centimeters, we divide by 5. Take 3, which is 15, remain 2, 5. Take 5, which is 25. 0, bring this 0 here and put it here. So they were 350 centimeters equal pieces. Ali and Parasa shared a loaf of bread. Ali ate 2 over 6 over 5 while Parasa ate 1 over 4. What is the fraction of the bread remaining? So to get the remaining, let's see the total bread that was eaten by Parasa and Ali. So get the LCM. LCM is 20. 20 goes here 4 times. 4 times 2, 8. 4 goes to 25 times. That is 5. So that is, this goes here. Is this 5 or 6? This 5. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 4, the LCM is 20. 5 goes to 20 how many times? 4 times. 4 times 8. 4 goes to 5 times. So 5, that is 13 over 20. So they have eaten 13 over 20. The whole bread is 20 over 20. Subtract 13 over 20. What remains is 7 over 20. That is what remains. Shera had 0.2 kg of living carbon. She used this of the leaves makes. She calculated a fraction as this. Yeah, that is correct. So the 0. What is the percentage? So to calculate percentage, you simply take 0.3 times 100, and that gives 30%. A salesman traveled 2 over 5 of the journey by rail, 1 over 3 by matatu, and 4 over 5 by foot. What fraction of the journey was traveled by rail and matatu? So rail and matatu, you simply add 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3 to get the total. LCM is 15. This times this 15. So the 15 goes here 3 times, that is 6, plus goes here 5. So that is 11 over 15. 11 over 15. A jeweler measured the diameter of wedding as 20 millimeters. What is the diameter in centimeters? So this one you use Kenya has dug men has dug men dams containing magic. So here you put a kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So we are here. We are coming down, right? So it means that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, right? Yes. Then we will ask 20 millimeters will be how many centimeters? 20 times 1 divided by 10, that is 2. A cuboid length 30 centimeter, 15 by this whole, how many liters? So volume of a cuboid is equal to length times width times height, which is 30 times 15 times 40. This one gives us 18,000 centimeters cube. But we know that 1,000 centimeters cube is equal to 1 liter. We have been asked to give in liters. So 18,000 centimeters cube will be how many liters? So it will be 18 liters. 18,000 times 1 divided by 1,000, you get 18 liters. A cement factory had 80 tons of cement. They packed the cement 50 kilograms bags. How many bags of cement were packed? Remember, 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. So ask yourself, 80 tons will be how many? So that one is 80,000 kilograms. So they are dividing it with 50 kilograms. So 0 and 0. So 800 divided by 5. Take 1, which is 5. Remain 30. Take 6. 6 times 5, 30. That is 0. Bring this 0 here and put it here. So the answer is 160. There will be 160 packets or packets, yes. Rokia put a dress for Kenya shilling 700 from a supermarket. She gave a cashier 1,000 notes. She received a balance in several notes of Kenya shilling 50. How many notes, Kenya shilling 50 notes did she receive as balance? So the balance is 1,000 minus 700. The balance is 300. So Rukia received a balance of 300 shillings, but in 50 shillings notes. So you divide it by this, so 300 divided by 50. Take 6, which is 300. So there are 6 notes. 6 notes or 50 notes. A cooperative site imported 4 tons 500 kilograms of fertilizer and distributed 2 tons 900 kilograms to farmers. How many kilograms of fertilizer remained? So they brought 4 tons 500, so that means it is 4,500 kilograms of fertilizer. They distributed 2 tons, 2 tons, that is 2,000 kg plus 900, that is 29. They have distributed this, so let's get the difference. 0, 0. 15 minus this, it is 6, 1. So the remaining will be 1,600 kilograms. A group of learners spent this to cultivate cabbage. They sold all the cabbages for Kenya shillings 9,380. How much profit did they make? So if they spent 6,000, they sold 93.80, and they spent 6,450. We subtract to get the profit 0, 3, 13 minus this is 9. 8, we borrowed 1 here, we have 8 minus this is 2. So the profit will be 29.30. Hello? 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 The table below shows travel timetable. How long does the journey take? But the journey by bus take from Mutito to Nairobi. Mutito is here, so departure is the time that the bus is leaving. So this is the departure and this is the arrival time. So if it departed, it has arrived 6:30 p.m. It started 2:45 p.m. You can get the difference. Borrow 1 hour from 6 hours to make this one 90 minutes. So you borrow 60 minutes from 1 hour, from 6 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus 30, 90. 90 minus 45, 45. We borrowed 1 hour here, they remained 5. So 5 minus, the hours remained 5. 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. So it is 3 hours, 45 minutes. What is the time of the day in 24 o'clock system? The time of the day, daytime. So this one is 1 o'clock, 30 minutes. 1 o'clock, saa saba na nusu. Kama ni mchana during the day, then it is 13:30. Timothy drew some angles. He compared the angles using a right angle triangle angle cut out. He noted that some angles were greater than the right angle but less than an angle on a straight line. What is the name given to such angles? Angles which are greater than 90 but less than 180 are called obtuse angle. It is an obtuse angle. Acute angles is angles less than 90 degrees. Obtuse less than 180 but greater than 90. Reflex greater than 180 but less than 360. Straight lines has 180 degrees. A self-help young group collected the following amount of garbage for recycling. How many tons and kilograms garbage did the group collect? So all together we need to add to, let's say, tons in kilograms. So 200, 3 tons 400, and 4 tons 350. So let's add everything. This plus this is 950. 5, 9. So it is 9 tons, 950 kilograms. A welder had a metal bar of this and that metal. What length of the metal remained? If we cut 85, so you can convert 93 to millimeters. Let's calculate to millimeters, or you can subtract direct. So it is okay if you change it to millimeters and then subtract. So 93 times 10, we will have this millimeters, 10 plus 3, so that one will be 933. 85 centimeters times 10 will give you millimeters plus 6, that one will be 85, 856. So now you subtract, this is in millimeters, 13 minus, you borrow 1 from here, 13, 37. We remain with 12. 12, you borrow 1 from 9, 12, 12 minus this is 7. So this is 77 millimeters. 77 millimeters is the same as 7 centimeters, 7 millimeters. 7 centimeters, 7 millimeters. Louis had Dr. Petries fetched a total of 16 of water. Louis fetched 4 more jerrycans of water. Petries, let the jerrycans of Petries be X. So that of X is this, and that of Louis is X plus 4. But the total is 16. Therefore, for X plus X, okay, we can put X plus 4. The answer is 16. Jenny picked an empty packet of milk in a school compound during a cleaning. Says she observed that they had 4 faces and shapes. How many edges did the packet have? So a triangular milk packet looks like this. It looks like this. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 edges. Abdul drew an isosceles triangle. Which of the following statement is a correct property for the isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle, it has 4 sides and 4 angles. No. 2 sides are parallel. No. 2 angles are equal. Yes. All sides are equal. All sides are equal is called equilateral. Equilateral triangle. All sides are equal and the total, each angle is 60. For the isosceles, it looks like this. These sides are equal and this angle are equal. Two sides are equal and two base angles are equal. A tourist company carried the runners using 2 buses and several vans to a park. The number of buses and vans were less than 8. They were less than on total. Let the number of vans be this. So if the buses were 2 plus the vans which were X, they were less than 8. The carpenter joined pieces of wood, like you can see there. Which of them are perpendicular? For the two to be perpendicular, they must be the 2 lines must meet at 90 degrees. So which 2 of them are meeting at 90 degrees? You can see it is O and M. So O and M are meeting at 90 degrees. Therefore, they are perpendicular. Now, M and Q, they are parallel. And Q and P, they are also parallel. So next time you will ask which one are parallel. Now you see the ones that are parallel. A nurse in a clinic recorded the number of children vaccinated between Monday and Friday. What is the difference between the highest and the lowest? Highest. So you read here, highest is on Thursday, and that one is here. You go here and read that is 20 minus the least. The least is on Monday and Thursday and Wednesday, which is 5 minus 5, and that is 15. A security officer in a school recorded the modes of transport used by learners while arriving at school in the morning. The table shown data. So those that came with the motorbike, they were this starting when we say 1, 2, 3, 4, then when we put this, we mean they are 5. So this is 5, 5 plus 4, these are 14. This one are 13, and this one are 5, 5, 11. These are 11. So those that use matatu, they were 11, school bus 15, bicycle 13, motorbike 14. What is the least popular mode? The least popular, the one that was used by less number of students. It is the matatu. The matatu used 11. That is the least mode of transport that was used. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, share, comment. Very nice.